Affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, easy $5,000 a month. You know, when I first got started I was thinking, gee man, if I could make some money online that'd be really cool. And I finally did make a sale and it was for $10. And you may say to yourself, well, $10 is nothing, JR, and it is nothing, you're right, but the point was I cracked the code. I was able to make some money online, and I figured if I could make $10, maybe I could make 20, maybe I could make 100. Since that time we've sold millions and millions of dollars of products online. But once you get that first sale, once you realize you can do it, then there is no limit. There really is no limit. You know, we've been growing and growing year after year, and we've got involved in a whole lot of other different things. One business would get a little bit slow, so we would work on another business, but the bottom line is we learn the techniques, the skills to actually make money online. Now if you want to learn these things, stick with me on this video. I'll share them with you, but the first thing I want to get in your head is $5,000 is not much money. Okay, $5,000 is not a lot of money. 5 grand a month is not a lot of money. Now it may be to you right now. Maybe you don't make 5,000 a month. Maybe that's a tremendous amount of money, or maybe you do make that and you just want to supplement and you want to make another 2,500 or 3,000. So we're going to talk about 5,000. And first off, I want you to get into your head, what is $5,000 a month? It's $166.67 a day. It's not a lot of money. Okay, it's not a lot of money, but I want you to understand it is a small amount of money. Okay, what you've got to do is you've got to be a merchant online. You've got to actually become somebody who sells stuff online, and you got to have the right tools and skills to do that, and that's what I'm going to give you in this video. Now I've been selling online over 10 years, and we sold millions of dollars of product, both digital and physical products. And don't forget, also subscribe there real quick before we get into this. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell, turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you every single time we do a new video, and give me that thumbs up. That really helps the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is decide on a niche. Okay, you have to have a niche. Now I've got several niches. My wife's got niches. We both sell stuff online. I have one niche that is survival food, Survivalcave food. You're welcome to look that up. We've been around for years, sold millions of dollars of that product, and that is a survival niche. Okay, so we're in that niche. So you got to select your niche, and then once you select your niche, whatever that is, and I have another niche which is how to make money online, you've got to decide on your products. What are the products that are going to fit within that niche? Once you've done that, once you've figured out what your niche is and what products you want to sell in that niche, you got to start building a list. And I can't impress this upon you enough, because I didn't do this in the beginning. I didn't know about building a list. I didn't know how important a list was, and it is tremendously important. Okay, now I work on my list every single day, day in and day out. I really toil away on building that list, but I want to tell you this up front, if you haven't started yet, the list is the most important thing. And it's not a lot of people say, well, I'll just go out and buy 1,000 names or 10,000 or 100,000. It won't work. Okay, it won't work, because you're going to get crappy list. It's not going to be good. In addition to that, they don't know you, they don't trust you, so they're not going to buy from you. You've got to build your own list. Now if you really want to get going in the beginning, I would suggest doing some webinars. Webinars are great. You can do joint venture webinars. You can say, hey, I'll promote your product if you promote my product. There's various sites you can go to. You can go to clickbank.com. That's a really good one. Find some products there, promote those, do a webinar on them, whatever you want to do. Sometimes they already have webinars set up there that you can just promote the other person's webinar, so that's a great way to go about it. So let's go through all these steps here. First thing we want to do is we want to review the products in our niche. Okay, how are we going to go about doing that? Now by promoting somebody else's product, you kind of skip that step, because you're already using all their research and all their data. You don't have to go through the, oh, I've got an idea, let me see if I can come up with a product stage, because that's already been done. Here's a good example right here. I'm gonna put up on the screen right here. This particular person here is promoting, looks like Hot Wheels. Okay, they have over 300,000 subscribers for Hot Wheels. Now I'm sure whatever your niche is, if it's less specific and you're reading this, you know, hey, you're gonna go, wow, that's really great. That's a lot of people. I'd love to have that. Now this guy here, this is Philosopher's Notes. He sells books. Okay, book notes for his particular niche. Now that's a special kind of review that usually does really well if you have a very specialized review, and also comparison with direct competitors. So here's another one right here, and I just searched it. It's a nice dicer versus salad chef. Okay, and if you notice, there's a bunch of videos here. Now what these people are doing is they're doing these videos, and in the description of the video they're putting links to these products. So they're getting you to watch these videos, and when you watch them, if you click the links, they actually get paid and they make money. Now I did a search for best hair straightener. and this person here actually does reviews, and they did a review on hair straighteners. So somebody reads the whole review here, and then there's a link where they can actually click through and buy that hair straightener. Now what they do on their blog is they review flat irons. That's a big thing for women. They want to straighten their hair, and since they review them, people come there to that site to get that information. But if they click and go there and buy it, boom, they've made some money. Now I would tell you, if you're going to do these reviews and you're going to use affiliate links, make sure it's a good product. Okay, don't just review anything and say it's good and it's not good, because your reputation will get built on this. If you review a product and you say it's good and somebody clicks on it and buys it and they like it, they're coming back to your site and they're going to probably look at your other reviews. If on the other hand you do a review and the product is crap and they don't like it, they're not coming back to your site to get any more advice on what they should buy. The more involved you can be with the product, the better off you are. Now I have some affiliate links below, and I have links down there for my camera, my lightings, and the stuff I use in my office here, and that's involved because I actually use them. These are things I use so I can recommend them to people. So the closer you can be to that, the better off you are. If you're doing a review on this flat iron thing that women use, and you're actually using it, you like it, and you talk about it, and they see you using it, you're a lot more likely to sell that product than if you don't know anything about it and you're a bald-headed guy who doesn't use a flat iron. You don't know anything about these things. So try to find products that you can actually involve yourself with. Now up on the screen here, I'm going to put what an affiliate link looks like, and we have some below. You don't see them because they're embedded where it says click here, but this is what the actual long link looks like. It's got the long in quotations reference tail at the end of the regular link, so that they can actually get credit for this and they can actually get paid. Now you can sign up to be an affiliate at Amazon absolutely free. It doesn't cost you anything. You do have to maintain a certain amount of sales to keep that account active. If for any reason you don't have any sales in a certain period of time, they will close your account. However, you can apply for another account the very same day and start all over again. This is a screenshot right here of Amazon, and it shows you where you can get your affiliate links. You can get a picture affiliate link, you can get a text affiliate link, and when you're logged in, you're already in your affiliate account. This will just show up in the top left hand corner of Amazon when you're there. So all you have to do is navigate to a particular product. Once you're on that product, you go up, click create link, and it'll create for you in a text or picture or whatever you want. Now this will give you your own affiliate link like you see right here. You just copy this link and paste it anywhere you want. When people go there and buy the product, you get paid. Now here's a cool thing though, side note to you: if they don't buy the product but they stay on Amazon and they buy something else within the next 48 hours, you get paid on that too. Now I said the next thing is to build a list. There's many ways to do this. I suggest Kartra opt-in pages. I'll put a link below for Kartra. You can watch a video on it. It's free to watch the video. If you sign up, there's a $1 trial, so it really doesn't cost much. Now some of the ways you can do this is through a hello bar. That's the bar at the top of your page. Let me put that up on the screen here. You can see that right up here. It says pre-order the newest book, Stab Factory, today and get it for less, and you can click right there. When you click, they opt in, so there's an action bar right there. The next way is an exit gate. So if somebody is hovering off your page, a pop-up comes up and says, hey, click here, enter your email to get 10% off, or to get a gift card, or to get a free download, or whatever it is. So you can grab emails by doing that. And then the next way is through a sidebar widget. You've seen them off to the side before where they offer something, a discount or a free product or whatever, if you enter in your email. Now you want to make this as simple as possible. If you give that visitor 20 things to do, they're not likely to do any of them. Okay, so you want to make this, one click, one email, really that simple. If you want to ask for their first name, you can, but if you ask for their first name and email and last name and phone number and address and all, you're not going to get any opt-in. So you can't get a lot of information on these blind opt-ins. Now here's an example right here. A free course, double your traffic in 30 days plus secret bonus valued at $300. Now as you see here, this is a really simple one. You put your email in there. Yes, let's start the free course. Yes, let's start the free course. 100% privacy. I will never spam you. So that's a pretty good opt-in right there. Since you're doing things that are really specific, maybe you're doing things on a mini oven or a juice maker or something like that. Since it's that specific, it doesn't take a lot of names to make money off your list. I mean, with your first 500 names, you can start emailing them and already start making money. Now you're gonna want to keep them engaged though. You can't just send them offers and sales all the time. You have to have something that has some value. Here's a one I found of Neil Patel's. It says, hey, I just want to share with you these latest quick Sprout blog post. Let me know what you think. Triple your email opt-in rate by using this 6-step lead magnet creation process. Creating great content isn't enough, although getting lots of traffic and social shares is nice. It's not the goal of content marketing. Pop quiz: what is the real purpose of any marketing? To make sales. Click to continue. So he's got several call to actions here, and he has another call to action in the actual PS right here. Now every now and then one of these call to actions, we're going to ask them to buy something, but you have to send some emails that give them great content, that give them value in between, or they will unsubscribe from your list. And then step 3, like I said earlier, just educate them with webinars. You have to do webinars on an ongoing basis. You can do live webinars. You can use something like EverWebinar, where you have an evergreen webinar where you record it once and they can click to go view it, but you got to do some webinars. You got to have something that keeps them engaged and keeps yourself in front of them. And you got to think about this, the way these live webinars works. What makes you buy, let's say, in a refrigerator more? See an ad somewhere, or if you were to see a live person with that refrigerator showing you all the options in action? Well, if they're in action and they're doing all this, you're probably going to be more likely to buy that refrigerator. Now I like using tools like Kartra. Kartra will automate a lot of this process for me, my webinars, my emails, my opt-in pages, and I really don't have to do much. I am going to put a link below for Kartra. Make sure you check that out. You can watch a free video there. You don't need a credit card. If you do choose to get Kartra, it's a $1 trial for 14 days, which is a pretty good deal. Now the last step is you can actually grow your business with pay-per-click advertising. You're gonna have to spend a little bit of that money there, but if you're paying a little bit to get traffic there and you're making some sales, so be it. Now here's a example for lead pages and what they do here. This is their ad. You can see it came up on the top of the Google results, and it says free live webinar, how to triple your conversions, claim your spot today, register now. It's pretty simple. It's cut and dry. I mean, this tells exactly what it does, and I like these better than these real wordy ads. Now here's an ad for Unbounce. I think this is pretty good. It's 4.5 stars, 4.7. Of course they did that. It says make a high converting landing page in minutes, 30-day free trial, multi-user accounts, client management, real-time stats. Now if you notice, these aren't complete sentences. What these are is these are the benefits of using their product and the features. And one last example right here. This is Farida. It says join me for this free training on 5-figure launching. In this webinar you will learn what is launching and why does it matter, the 3 keys that 5-figure launches have in common, and it says click to see more. So all you do is click to sign up right there. So there's a lot of ways to do this, guys, but bottom line is making $5 grand a month is not that hard to do if you just put forth the effort. If you want to go the affiliate route, I would recommend ClickBank, ShareASale. I use both of those. You could also use JVZoo, which is very, very good. There's also ClickBooth, Ads for Dough, Commission Junction, and the Amazon affiliate programs. There's a lot of stuff out there for you to pick from. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some knowledge out of it. Matter of fact, I'd like to know what questions you have about this. If you would, put it in the comment section below. If you've had some experience with affiliate marketing, my goodness, you got to share it. Good or bad, put it below so everybody knows about it. Okay, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. Also, don't forget to subscribe. If you haven't done so, click that button. If it's red, you haven't clicked it yet. You need to click it, turn it gray, and as soon as you do that, a bell will pop up. You want to ring it, turn on all bell notifications so that I can notify you as soon as I do a new video. Also, don't forget there's a $97 course below. I'm giving it away absolutely free for a limited time. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey, thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell right there so you can be notified every time I do a new video. Also, click on one of those videos there. Keep watching on my channel.